Wow, check this. Actually, I like black version. By the way, the black version is at the normal price, so I decided to buy white version since it's 990 baht. 990 baht is equivalent to maybe around 55 dollars, 55 bucks. Okay, 2.0 speaker system, S5000. On the back, they are pretty heavy. You know, it's quite difficult to find reviews about this pair of speakers. By the way, I trust this brand. Oh. Ooh. What comes with the box? The first thing is notices. Who cares? Next, worldwide limited warranty. Who cares? Next, how to connect, or maybe it's called manual. Who cares? Next, wow, wow. Okay, the connector comes with, yeah, the power source is 3.0 USB plus 3.5mm jack. I think it should be 1 meter long. Yeah, on both sides. Yep, maybe 1 meter long. And another jack. Okay, I'm trying to figure this out. Oh, oh, it's totally new, pretty heavy. It's like metal. Yeah. It's not plastic. Let's check out the main speaker. Min max. You can hear the click, right, to turn them on. Okay. To end from this one. Yeah, do you see this? This means I can, you know, listen to whatever I want through headphones. Okay, I'm trying to test them. Next, I am going to show you how they perform. They are put in the right position where my old speaker was placed before. They are ready to roll. You are watching a DTS sound test 1 from YouTube. Next, I will show you what they are actually supposed to do. I decided to order them because I just want a pair of speakers for listening to songs. Man, they are beyond my expectation since they're very tiny compared to the former speakers I use, which is Creative A60. By the way, you are not supposed to expect for, you know, a bigger bass, since this pair of speaker employs passive radiator, which means they produce pretty okay bass, not best bass, you know. Alright, by the way, they are far better than laptop speakers, or you know, like very cheap Chinese speakers for sure. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.